My name is Sophia. I am 24 years old. I live in a small town in Ohio, USA. I live with my father, my stepmother, and my stepsister, Olivia. People often think I have a happy family. They see our pictures on social media and say, "You are so lucky." But they don't know the truth. My stepmother hates me. I was 12 years old when my mother died. She had cancer. She fought for 2 years, but in the end, she lost the battle. I still remember her last words. She held my hand and said, "Sophia, be kind, be brave, and never stop smiling." After she passed away, my world became dark. My father was heartbroken. He stopped talking, he stopped laughing. Sometimes he sat in the living room for hours and stared at the wall. I missed my mother every single day. 2 years later, my father met a woman named Linda. She was friendly and kind at first. She brought me chocolates, she asked me about school, she smiled at me. I thought maybe things would become better. 6 months later, they got married. Linda and her daughter Olivia moved into our house. That was the day everything changed. After the wedding, Linda became a different person. One morning, she knocked on my bedroom door. "Sophia, wake up," she said. I looked at the clock. It was 6 o'clock. "Why?" I asked. "Because you need to clean the kitchen." I was surprised. I had never cleaned the kitchen before, but I got up and did it. The next day, she asked me to wash the dishes. Then she asked me to vacuum the living room. Then she asked me to clean the bathrooms. Soon, I was doing almost every household chore. Olivia never helped. She slept late, she watched television, she spent hours on her phone. Whenever I asked for help, Linda said, "Olivia is younger than you. Don't bother her." Olivia was only 1 year younger than me. At dinner, things became even worse. Linda cooked my favorite foods for Olivia. She bought her expensive clothes. She gave her money every week. But she treated me differently. One evening, she served everyone a big piece of chocolate cake. Then she looked at me. "You don't need dessert," she said. I stared at her. "Why not?" She shrugged. "You should watch your weight." My face felt hot. My father looked uncomfortable, but he said nothing. That hurt me more than anything. As time passed, Linda became meaner. One afternoon, I came home from school. I found my mother's picture missing from the living room. I looked everywhere. Finally, I found it in a box in the garage. I picked up the picture carefully. Tears filled my eyes. Linda walked into the garage. "What are you doing?" she asked. "Why did you put my mother's picture here?" She crossed her arms. "This is my house, too. I don't want old pictures everywhere." I couldn't believe it. "This picture is important to me," I said softly. "My house, too. I don't want old